If you're a coach, you already know that your website isn't just a digital business card, right? It's the core of how you attract, nurture, and convert clients. Your business relies on trust, credibility, and real transformation. And a generic cookie cutter site, it simply can't communicate that. Now, without the right website, you'll look less professional, lose leads to more polished competitors, and make it harder for your ideal clients to understand what you actually do and how you can help them. Now, your site, it needs to clearly showcase your coaching offers, display powerful testimonials, make it easy to book calls, and guide visitors towards working with you. So the good news is, by the end of this video here, you'll know exactly which website builder will be best for your coaching business. And if you click way early, well, you risk choosing the wrong platform, which could end up making it so that you waste time and money and just have to rebuild 6 months down the road altogether. So let's make sure that we avoid that. Coaching websites, they have to do more than just, look nice, right? They have to sell an experience, a transformation, and a relationship. And you're not just, listing products here. You're building trust, authority, and connection with someone who's deciding whether to let you into their personal or professional life. Now, that means that your site, it needs strong storytelling, clear offers, simple booking or, application flows, and room to showcase your unique framework, your personality, and credibility. You choose the wrong builder, and you'll be fighting rigid templates, clunky design, and limited features that really hold your growth back instead of actually supporting it. Now, I have to say, before we move on here, so if you're like me as a busy entrepreneur and you just don't have time to research, dozens of website builders out there, and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of coaches, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade in the future. Now, to be clear, no pressure to click that link right now, of course, but it is going to be there throughout this video if you need it. And if you're really serious about building a site that, actually converts visitors into coaching clients, well, the next section here is important as it's going to cover the one that is really best overall for most coaches out there. So Wix is the best all-around choice for most coaches out there because it gives you the flexibility to design a site that truly reflects your brand without needing to be a tech expert. It's really ideal if you want something that, looks custom, supports online bookings, and can grow with you from your first few clients to, a fully booked practice or even group programs in the future. Now, coaches, they love Wix because the drag and drop editor, it makes it super easy to build pages that highlight your story, your process, and your client results, while the built-in scheduling tools, the contact forms, and the blog features, they let you run a lot of your business from one place. You can create clear sales pages for your one-on-ones or group offers, add testimonials and case studies, and integrate email marketing or lead magnets so potential clients don't just visit once and disappear. Now, the main limitation is that, if you're extremely tech savvy or you really want heavy custom coding, Wix can feel a little bit constrained compared to fully custom solutions. But really, for the vast majority of coaches, it just offers more than enough power and flexibility than what you'll need. Now, pricing typically ranges from, affordable starter plans that really cover the basic coaching sites up to, more advanced plans if you add online programs, memberships, or more traffic. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if you're, the kind of coach who really likes comparing options before committing, well, you'll definitely want to see how our next pick stacks up, especially if design is a really big priority for you. Squarespace, it's a great fit for coaches who care deeply about having a clean, modern, visually polished brand presence and don't need, a ton of complex features on day one. It works especially well if your coaching style leans towards, lifestyle, wellness, creative, or personal development niches where, visual storytelling and a calm, premium feel really matter. Now, coaches like Squarespace because its templates are beautifully designed out of the box, making it really easy to get a professional looking site quickly with strong typography and layouts that naturally highlight your photos, your story, and your offers. It also offers solid options for, simple scheduling integrations, blogs, and basic forms. And it's a really good choice if you want to keep things straightforward and elegant. Now, that all said, Squarespace, it usually isn't as flexible as Wix for coaches who really want, more advanced customization, unique page layouts, or a wider variety of built-in tools. Now, in many cases, Wix will give you more control over how your coaching packages, funnels, and lead generation pages are structured, which is why it's still the better overall choice for most coaches. Now, pricing for Squarespace, it typically sits in the mid-range with plans that really cover basic sites and upgrade paths if you need more features as you grow. Now, if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, right, there is a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for brand new customers. And if you're still not, totally sure that either of these platforms fit how you, like to work behind the scenes, well, the next option here might surprise you, especially if you're more budget conscious or hands-on with your technology. Hostinger is a strong choice for coaches who want to keep costs low while still having the flexibility to build something that's more customized, especially if you're comfortable learning a little bit of tech or you don't mind following tutorials. It's really best for coaches who, see their website as a long-term asset and are willing to trade a little bit of simplicity for more control over performance, scalability, and integrations. Now, coaches, they appreciate Hostinger because it offers fast, reliable hosting at a lower price point, and it often pairs well with popular site builders or platforms that you can install on top, which gives you a lot of freedom in how your site is actually structured. Now, this can be really powerful if you plan to grow into, online courses, memberships, or more complex funnel setups over time. The downside is that Hostinger usually requires a little bit more setup and management compared to, the other all-in-one builders out there like Wix or Squarespace. So if you're not really tech comfortable or you just don't want to deal with the back end at all, it might feel a little bit overwhelming. That all said, pricing is definitely one of its biggest strengths though, with very affordable plans that are, attractive if you're just starting out or you're running lean. Now, if Hostinger sounds like it might be the best fit for you, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, which entitles you to a special deal that they're actually running right now for new customers. And if, none of these options feel like an obvious yes for you yet, don't worry, because before you actually choose anything, you need to know exactly what to look for in a coaching website builder. And that's exactly what we're going to be diving into here next. So when you're choosing a website builder as a coach, right, there's going to be a few key things that you should always keep in mind so you don't end up stuck with a platform that, limits you. So first, look for built-in or easy to integrate scheduling and booking tools, right? You want potential clients to be able to book discovery calls or sessions without going back and forth, over email or text or something like that. Second, make sure it allows you to create clear offer pages and sales pages where you can explain who you help, how you work, and what results clients can expect. Third, you want to prioritize platforms that support lead generation. So, think of like email opt-ins, lead magnets, and simple funnels, because, not everyone will be ready to buy on their first visit. And fourth, check that it has room for social proof, like, testimonials, case studies, media features, and reviews, since coaching is really a trust-based decision. And fifth, consider how easy it is to update content yourself. So as your coaching evolves, you'll want to tweak copy, add new offers, or publish content without relying on someone else. And finally, look at scalability and integrations, right? Especially if you plan to add group programs, courses, or memberships later on, so you're not forced to, rebuild your entire site in a year or two. That all said, at the end of the day, all these platforms really can work, but Wix does stand out as the best overall option for most coaches because it balances ease of use, design flexibility, and the core features that you actually need to attract and convert clients. Now, if you've been struggling with a site that feels outdated, hard to edit, or it's just not you, well, switching to Wix can give you a fresh, professional online home that finally matches the value of your coaching. You can create dedicated pages for each offer, showcase your client transformations, and build simple funnels and booking flows without needing to hire a developer. So if that sounds like exactly what you've been missing and what you're trying to solve, again, you can click right up here to create a free account and see how it feels for your business. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about what's actually best for your coaching business, go ahead and drop me a comment below. I actually reply to these myself. I'll review it. I'll let you know exactly what I think as soon as possible. And as always, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.